Hey neighbors, welcome back to the neighborhood. It's Lay. If you're new here, again, my name is Lay, and I do videos based on natural products that you can use and make at home for a low cost because we're balling on a budget here. But for now, in today's video, I'll just be showing you how I make a DIY oil cleanser. So I already have a video on my channel about the best method that you can use to go ahead and oil cleanse. So it has the different ratios, it has different oils there that you can use specifically for your skin type. So if you'd like to go ahead and check that out, I have a link it will be in the cards, and I will also have one in the description for you for easier access if you want to just check that out later. So we're gonna jump right into this video or whatever. So I do use this new castor oil that I got, and you always want to make sure, just like in the last video, that your castor oil is 100% pure, hexane free, and cold press, non-solvent, baby. It's very natural. I love it, I love it, I love it. Anytime I use oils, especially on my face, I always want to make sure it's 100% pure. Just good oil, okay? And then we're also just going to be using sweet almond oil. Now I've had this almond oil for a minute, but to be honest, I wanted to use jojoba oil, but my package has not arrived yet. I have no choice but to go ahead and use my sweet almond oil. So then we have this beautiful tamanu oil, and this is great for acne, you know. I'm just going to be putting it into one of my old bottles here. Because it's glass, I like this one, and then it's dark, so it's much better to go ahead and hold my oils and, you know, store it in a cool place. With the measurements that I have, it's going to equal up to 4 ounces, which is also equivalent to a half a cup, you know, just for easier, you know. And if you need like more, if you want to make like a 8-ounce batch, then that's fine, just double this. And I do have the measurements that you can use, and I break it down in my other oil cleansing video, okay? So you guys make sure you check that out just to get the correct measurements. Now before I do start oil cleansing, I remove any makeup or dirt that I may have on my face with my DIY makeup remover pads. And it's not only for removing makeup, but I use it to remove any dirt, and you guys can check that out in the neighborhood. Now once my face is feeling very fresh, I take the oil cleanser and I put a generous amount on my hand to make sure that my whole face would be covered and well saturated with the oil. Make sure I massage that very gently into my skin and make sure that it goes deep into my pores so I can get the correct benefits from oil cleansing. So after I've massaged the oils into my pores, I would go ahead and take my steamed cloth, place that right over my face, and I leave that rest for about 1 minute. I usually go in a second time just because I feel the steam leaves too fast, so I would just steam it again, place that on my face, and I would then gently wipe away any excess oils that might still be on my face so that my face could be nice and smooth. And you don't ever want to wipe downward on your face, you always want to go in a circular motion because it does promote blood flow. So yeah, just don't wipe down. That's how you get saggy skin. You don't want that. Let me know what kind of skin type you have. You can comment in the comment section, and if you've ever tried oil cleansing and you're going to try this method, let me know in the comment section. And this is the finished product. Now it filled up most of the bottle. I'm not sure, yeah, you guys can see that it fills up to like right here. So yes, this is one of the formulas that I do use when I do my oil cleansing at night. And if you guys would just like to check out my skincare video where I just give you guys some tips on the best methods and the best ways that you can go about using a natural skincare routine just to keep away any toxins, chemicals, and things like that off of your face. I want to thank you guys very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, make sure you like and share the video so you can help someone else that's probably suffering with acne or dark spots and they would like to clear that up. Follow me on my social media so you can see just a little bit more content here and some behind the scenes. Also, screenshot your favorite part of the video and upload it to your social stories and make sure you @ me. I want you guys to have a beautiful, prosperous, and successful day.